What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get great value brand products from Walmart and resell them on Amazon. Let's get right into it.
I cannot sleep when I got all this money on top of my head, nigga, go and get at it. Every time that I lay on the bed, just keep thinking back when all I had was a day. Straight out the basement, ironic cause that's the type of shit that made me an addict. Back to back on the road, worldwide like BZ, I've been not trapping.
Okay, off back, we're gonna start right on Amazon. And as soon as we get on Amazon.com, we're gonna search for great value. Might need to put brand next to. Actually, we're gonna just click on this coffee pods that's already right here. Okay, you see they got great value, great value, great value. So they got a lot of great value brand products on. If you didn't know that, some people actually didn't know that you can resell great value brand. That's Walmart's only brand, and you can take those products and resell them on Amazon. A lot of people actually did not know this. So let's pick one of these coffee pods or something just to start with, because we're not even gonna start with like this specific product. I'm just gonna show you. So like, let's just pick this one. I like this 2-pack. Let's pick this one. And I'll show you how we're gonna start. You should have Seller Amp. If you don't have Seller Amp, go check out my Seller Amp video and go get Seller Amp. I'll put the links down below. Go get Seller Amp, go get Keepa. If you don't have Seller Amp, you definitely gonna need it to reverse source these products like we about to do now. Okay, now these numbers not looking that good, but that's not what we actually here for. Let's look at the other sellers that's selling this product, okay? So we're gonna go down to the offers, and we see all these other sellers are selling this great value coffee. So I'm gonna pull up their stores by going to open link in new tab, and really I'm searching for the FBA sellers. So I'm gonna open link in new tab. They only got one review, so I'm gonna skip them. Open link in new tab. All right, so I'm gonna go to these couple sellers, right? Let's see what these sellers have in stock. As you can see, this seller right here, Birdie Boutique, they have 26 great value brand products in their store, which means they can only get great value from one place, Walmart. All right. So we're gonna click on their great value products and see what else they're selling in great value. And we're gonna reverse source their great value products and see if we can also find them at our Walmarts or online at Walmart or something like that. And then we can now resell those same products. Okay, so let's just start with this brand this product at the top. Has a pretty good bestsellers rank. I mean, it's not horrible. It's not great, but it's not horrible. So let's go ahead and search on Google and see if we can find this product. As you can see, we need this product for $6.10, and that's 2 of them. That's a 2-pack. So that is, well, actually, it may be something we can do. Let's see. Oh, item out of stock. So it looked like I found it for like $3 and change, but they're out of stock. And then I got all these cashback extensions. If you don't have these cashback extensions, you need these. As you can see, I'm automatically getting cash back just by going on Walmart.com. All these people offering me cash back. I would have took this 10% off, and I would have definitely made it worth my while if this product was in stock. So you see this item is out of stock, but they was trying to give it to me for $3.36. 2 of those would have been, it'd have been $6.72. But if I take the 10% off, $6.72 minus 67 cents, it's $6.05. Remind you guys, I needed it for $6.10, so that would have been a profitable one. But it is out of stock. So yeah, we have to go back on that, and we have to try to find that later on. And we can add this if you got, okay, hold on, wait a minute now. Is this the same one? 12 chai latte. Yes, this is it. Maybe it's not out of stock. Oh, yes, it is out of stock. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's out of stock, y'all. All right, sorry. It is out of stock, but if it was in stock, we were gonna get this for $6.05 for 2 of these, and that would have been profitable. But it doesn't work out for us. But what we could do is add this product to our Google Sheets. You can link your Google Sheets to Seller Amp, and you can just save products to your Google Sheets. So I'm saving products to my Google Sheets. I'm gonna save this one just in case it does come back in stock. I can come back and check in on it and see if it's back in stock. But yeah, that's one of them, but it is sold out. Maybe you guys can check, whoever watching this, maybe you can go check your area right now, and you might find it in your area, in your local Walmart or something like that. And it might be something you can dive into. Let's check out this product right here. We got to get it for $8.75, but that's for 4 of them. So let's see. And these are great value, sugar-free, low-calorie energy. Okay, cool. Peach mango. Peach mango. The 10 pack. Let me pull this up on Amazon as well. You can click that A that I just clicked and pull that up on Amazon. And this is the 10 sticks. Yeah, so that's the same one. Click that off. So that is the same one as this, but it wouldn't make sense, y'all, because we need this for $8.75 for 4 of them. Let's see, for 4 of those at $2.54. That'd be $10.16. I forgot we can also do the math inside of Seller Amp. We would get it for $2.54. $2.54 times 4, that'd be $10.16 we would pay for that. But then we would take off 10%. So we can do that by multiplying by 0.9 in Seller Amp. And we'll get it for $9.14. $2.59 profit. It doesn't meet my quota. Some people, it may meet their quota. Actually, you know what? This actually would meet my quota because I do need to go and change my settings. So in my settings, I wouldn't pay sales tax for this because I'm tax exempt in Walmart. And in my settings, I have my sales tax in here. So let me just go to my settings. And if I go to my settings and I take off the sales tax fee that I got already set in my settings, take off that sales tax because I won't be paying sales tax getting it from Walmart. Since I won't be paying sales tax getting it at Walmart, I can refresh this. Now it would actually make sense because I'm not paying sales tax on it. So it would be profitable for me then. So yeah, I mean, this could be one. It has sold for, you know, over that $19.99 before, $20, $20, 1947, 2033, 1973. This is the buy box analysis on Seller Amp. If you don't have this, definitely add this to your Seller Amp in your settings if it's not already there already. But yeah, you can see historically this has sold for over $19.99 before, so it's not far-fetched for me to actually sell this for $19.99. So me getting this 4 of these for $9.14, because remember, we're gonna pay $2.54. You multiply that by 4, you'll get $10.16. And then remember, with Be Frugal, use these cashback extensions, y'all. It's definitely gonna be helpful. With Be Frugal, we're gonna get that 10% cash back. So I can activate this 10% cash back, and boom, I get 10% cash back on my purchase. All right, so y'all can check into that if y'all want to in y'all area. Maybe you can find it for a little cheaper. Maybe you got some coupons, some discounts, and some other stuff that I don't have, and you can find some products like that. So that's another one that you can definitely sell on Amazon. Let's keep looking though. And let's go back to this seller's storefront. And let's see about these. It's a 10 pack. So we need this 10 pack, max cost $20. Great value energy drink enhancer. So let's see. Great value energy drink enhancer. This is it. But we need this for, we need 10 of these. And we would need those 10 for $20. It looks like here, if you multiply this by 10, we would pay $24.60. So we can just do the math here in Seller Amp. $2.46. The stars times 10. That's $24.60 we would pay. But then we would take off 10%. So we can times 0.9 because we're taking off 10%. And that'll be $22.14 we will pay. Now, if you have any other like discount codes or anything like that, or, you know, coupons or something, you know, people are coupon collectors and find other ways to get deals. Or maybe you got a Walmart credit card that gets you extra money off or something like that, then maybe it will be profitable. But for me, and with my settings that's set into my Seller Amp settings, my return on investment is just not there. I'm not okay with 14% return on investment. Some people are, but I'm not. So $3 profit, 14% return on investment. It doesn't really meet my quota. It may meet yours. If it does, hey, go at it. Let's check out this one right here. And let's just see. Look like it only sell 11 units a month. But we'll skip that one. Let's go try to find one more before we get up out of here. I think y'all understand what I'm doing here. We basically just reverse sourcing stores, reverse sourcing products. Let's just see. And you gotta know too, if people are profitable, like we finding these products and they're profitable for us. So we can just go through the other sellers who are selling these products exactly how I did in the beginning of this video. You just go to the other offers and you start finding other people who's selling great value products. Or it don't have to even be great value. Whatever brand you happen to be looking for, this is not a good example, but whatever brand you happen to be looking for, I mean, just go through and reverse source whatever brand you're looking for. Exactly what I did, how I started, searched great value on Amazon. If you're looking for whatever brand, search that brand on Amazon, find out who else is selling the products in that brand, and reverse source their other products that's also in that brand, and just see what's going on. Okay, I just pulled up this other seller right here, Warm Coast Corp. They got 57 products in great value. Let's check out a couple of their products before we get up out of here. I think y'all understand what I'm doing here. Y'all can actually go look at these products and look at these sellers and look at exactly what I'm looking at, and just see if you can you can find a deal in your area, or you can find that product, or like the one product in the beginning that was sold out, that was profitable. Maybe it's not sold out in your area, so y'all need to go check that stuff out. Let's check into this product right here. And we need 4 of these for $10.17. These sell for $2.54. Let's see. Okay, so dragon fruit. And I need this for $10.17. I wanted to make sure that this is okay. Yeah, here's the listing right here. So yeah, this is definitely not the product. It doesn't look like great value energy drink mix, dragon fruit, 10 count, pack of 4. Maybe they changed the packaging because it's the same brand. Look like this one's sugar free. This is also sugar free. So I mean, it's definitely the same product. I think Walmart changed the packaging. Like, I know this is the same drink. Like, it's great value. It's dragon fruit. It's energy drink, sugar free. Says all the same things. It's 10 sticks in there. It says all the same stuff, but I just don't want to mess with it. But just in case you did want to mess with it, right? You need that product, 4 of them for $10.17 max cost. And you would get them for $2.54. $2.54 times 4, because you need 4 of them. So that's $10.16. And historically, this product has not sold for over $19.99. So even if I sold this for $19.99 and I got it for that $10.16, it just wouldn't make sense. So no, we're gonna pass on that, y'all. I want to find one more, y'all, before we get up out of here. But like I said, I feel like y'all understand what I'm doing. Now, it is tedious work. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. You may spend, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours doing this, but all you gotta do is find 1 to 5 products in that time, and your day is over with. Like, you can go on about your day, and you can run your whole business just by spending 2 or 3 hours behind this computer screen, just like I'm doing, searching brands. Like I said, it don't have to be great value. I just wanted to show great value because great value is a very easy one to get into. Everybody should be automatically ungated in great value. This is an easy one to get into, so I did want to do this video to just give everybody, just some product ideas and just some type of insight that they can get started on right now. Blackberry lemonade drinks, 10 packets, 6 boxes. Need them for $11.26. Is that the same thing? Blackberry lemonade, great value, drink mix. Is it the same box though? No, it's not the same box. This one I probably would take the risk on. It just looks more similar. Low calorie, high in vitamin A, C, and E, sugar free. Low calorie, vitamin A, C, and E, sugar free. This is the same exact drink. Like I would probably do this one. I'm not gonna lie. This is the same exact drink, different box. And it don't really matter. Like if it's just not like if you really believe that it's the same drink, you can still sell the product. It don't have to be in the same packaging or anything like that. I just like it to all match up. But we would get this for, we need 6 of these though. Yeah, I can already tell this wouldn't make sense because we're getting this at $2.34. And we need 6 of them. So we do $2.34. We multiply that by 6. We'll get that $14.04. But if we take off the 10%, it still wouldn't make sense. But let's see, take off that 10%. Because we get the 10% discount with Be Frugal, that'd be $12.64. 19% return on investment, $2.50 profit each. Now, it could make sense for some people. For me, I just don't want to make 19% return on investment with a $2.50 profit. For other people, it could make, like, you know, I can't tell you what you would like to make on your money. A 19% return on investment is actually a great return on investment when you're talking about investments. But just me knowing what I know about Amazon, I know I can put my money in better places. I wouldn't do it. You know what I'm saying? Now, if I was like, you know, just spent all my money up and like I just knew that, you know, I got all this money and I couldn't put it anywhere else because I've already put it everywhere I could put it, then I probably would go ahead and buy these and just take that 19% return on investment because it's all money. If I just got money, I would rather invest into this and make 19% than invest in a bank or put my money in savings or put it in anywhere else because you're still not going to make 19% return on investment on your money anywhere else, really. So still good return on investment, but just not for me at this time. So I would pass on that. Maybe it's a good play for you. If it is, cool. If not, skip that. You just keep looking through. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful, y'all. I didn't want to make this one too long like my other sourcing videos and some of my other videos, but I hope this was helpful. Hopefully y'all can just dive into some great value products. You can also do this with other brands like store only brands, like what's Costco's store only brand, Kirkland, and then you got Sam's Club store only brand, Members Mark. They sell all these store only brands on Amazon. Everything is sold on Amazon. You can do this reverse sourcing process with literally every product, almost every product and every brand that there is that's out there. If it sells in any other store, it's gonna sell on Amazon. Trust me, if people are buying it inside of a store, people are definitely gonna buy it behind their computer screen and get it delivered to their house. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful. Another thing, I got a virtual mastermind community where we get on Zoom calls every single week and we discuss things just like you're seeing in this video. You got the opportunity to unlock all of my courses, my PDF guides, all of my resources. Everything I know about Amazon is literally inside this virtual mastermind community. So click the link below and I hope to see you on the other side. Peace.